Nice. I make these cookies for about 5 reasons. First of all, they're super quick. I can have them done and dusted within half an hour. Secondly, they're naturally gluten-free. Thirdly, they last for about 2 to 3 weeks in a tin. Fourthly, they taste delicious, a bit like marzipan. But the main reason you're supposed to be eating one.
Oh, right, sorry.
But the main reason I make them is that they're Mike's favourite cookies. And this is how I do it. Can you eat one?
Oh, yeah.
You'll need 4 egg whites. Separate the eggs, placing the whites into a clean, dry bowl. You won't be using the yolks, so save them for another use. Whisk the eggs until soft peaks form and add 350 grams of caster sugar and 350 grams of almond meal, not to be mistaken with almond flour. If you can't find almond meal, just grind some almonds finely in a powerful blender. Stir gently until the mixture is combined, and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of almond essence. Mix again until the mixture is thoroughly combined. It will be sticky, which is what you want. Take 2 bowls and pour a little caster sugar in one and icing sugar into the other bowl. Form balls the size of a walnut, and I find using wet hands makes this quicker and easier. Then roll in caster sugar and then coat thoroughly in icing sugar. By using this method, it produces a cookie with a crunchy crust and a soft inside. These cookies are sweet, and that's how they're meant to be. They are excellent served with a strong coffee or tea or with a glass of milk. Place the cookies on a paper-lined baking tray, making sure there's a little room between each cookie, and using your finger, make an indent in the middle of each cookie. Place in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius, which is 325 degrees Fahrenheit, fan forced, for between 15 and 20 minutes. They should turn a lovely light golden brown colour. Leave to cool, then eat or store in an airtight container or tin, and I have found these biscuits last up to 3 weeks stored this way. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. See you again soon. Peace.
You want me to eat another one?
Yes.